भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां शुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो माया संख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिज विषयान् प्राश्य भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ न स्तुरीयः। We are on page number 140. See in Tika, Introduction to 8th Karika. जीवो ब्रह्मणो नांशो न विकारो अपितु ब्रह्मैव उपाधि अनुप्रविष्टं जीवशब्दितम् इति उक्तं तदयुक्तम्. Jiva is not amsha of Brahma, not vikara of Brahma. This was said in 7th Karika. Namsho na vikaro api. But what it is? Brahmaiva. Upadhi anupravishtam. Brahma alone, when entered in the Upadhi, it is referred by the word Jiva. Brahma alone is called as Jiva. Jiva Shabditam. Iti uktam tadayuktam. What is said is not right. Purvapakshi is objecting. Why? Brahmanaha shuddhatvat जीवस्य रागादि मलवत्वात् एकत्व अयोगात् इति आशंक्य. ब्रह्मणः शुद्धत्वात्, Brahma is शुद्ध and Jiva is ragadi malavatvat. Jiva is affected by raga dvesha ityadi. Lot of impurities there. Malavatvat. Ekatva ayogat. Therefore, Jiva Brahmano ho ekatva ayogat. Ekatva between Jiva and Brahma is not possible. Iti ashankya. Paramarthato जीवस्यापि नास्ति मलवत्वम इत्याह. परमार्थतः जीवस्य मलवत्वम न अस्ति इत्याह. यथा भवति बालानां गगनं मलिनं मलैः तथा भवत्य बुद्धानां आत्मापि मलिनो मलैः यथा भवति अबुद्धानाम् अथवा बालानां, यथा भवति बालानां, like children, what do they say? गगनं मलिनं, गगनं मलैः मलिनं, तथा भवति अबुद्धानाम् आत्मापि मलिनो मलैः. So in reality gaganam is not malinam, but it seems that it is impure, like it has colors, etc. So malaihi gaganam malinam यथा बालानां भवति तथा अबुद्धानाम् आत्मापि मलैहि मलिनो भवति. Atma in reality is not impure, but Atma seems to have impurity. Only those who are abuddha means those who don't think. They think Atma is impure. Really speaking, impurity is in buddhi. Buddhi or antakarana, mind. Jnanam means Atma, which is Jnana Swarupa, there is no impurity. Now, in this regard, I want to tell you something else. What is the first karika of this chapter? Upasana shrito dharmo jate brahmani vartate pragutpatte rajam sarvam tena saukrpanah smrutah. So, upasana ashritaha is kripanaha. But remember, we can be jnana ashrita and still do upasana. Upasana ashrita means the one who has ashraya only in upasana. Upasana eva ashrayo yasya. Saha upasana ashritaha or upasana ashrayah. Upasana ashritaha yaha. Saha upasana ashritaha. So, if somebody thinks upasana will give moksha, that person is kripana. But we have to remember, upasana is required for calmness of mind. Why I am saying this? You see, couple of days back, Uttarayana ended, Dakshinayana started. So, some planets change. Tomorrow, Amavasya is there, Somavati. Again, some planets will change. If we are not doing any upasana and thinking that, oh, Ishvara is only Brahma, only Jnanam, you should be then strong enough to negate that there is no mind. If I am saying that there is only Brahma, there is no Ishvara, Jiva is Brahma alone, then that much strength I should have. In this chapter, this is what is going to say, there is no mind. You remain in Amani Bhava. Those sadhakas who have not done enough upasana in this janma and they get troubled by their mind and are not able to say there is no mind, because in Advaita where is mind? Then they will have to go through all beating from the mind. They will not have choice. And therefore, you remain jnana-ashrita, but you do upasana until you are strong enough to not accept mind as mind itself. Naiva manasam. When you can come to this point, then you don't need to do any upasana. But if I don't do upasana and I get troubled by the mind and I don't know what to do, because I still have given reality to mind. Then best is you remain jnanashrita, but you do upasana to engage your mind in something sattvic. So this point, if we don't have, then Atma is Brahma and Jiva is Ragadi Mala Rahita in Paramartha. Paramartha to Jivasyapi Nasti Malavatvam. This I will not have. This point we should note. Tika Shlokasya Tatparyam Aha Yasmaditi in Bhashya. यस्मात् यथा घटाकाशादि भेद बुद्धि निबंधनो रूप कार्यादि भेद व्यवहारस तथा देहोपाधि जीव भेद कृतो जन्म मरणादि व्यवहारस यस्मात् यथा घटाकाशादि भेद बुद्धि निबंधनो रूप कार्यादि भेद व्यवहार रूप कार्य समाख्याश्च दिस वाज सेड घटाकाशादि भेद बुद्धि निबंधनः व्हाट इज द विग्रह ऑफ दिस घटाकाशादि भेद बुद्धि निबंधनम मूल कारणम यस्य सह घटाकाशादि भेद बुद्धि निबंधनः रूप कार्यादि भेद व्यवहारः रूप कार्य Samakhya means Nama, Rupa and Karyam. This Bheda Vyavahara is there. Dehopadhi Jiva Bheda Krataha. Deha is the Upadhi. Dehopadhi Jiva Bheda Krataha Vyavahara. Janma Maranadi Vyavahara. What kind of Vyavahara? Janma Marana. Gati, Agati, it will be said in the next sloka. Sukha, Dukha and Bandha Moksha. All this Vyavahara. Tasmat tat kritam eva klesha karma phala malavatvam atmanaha na paramarthataha. Tasmat tat kritam eva. What is tat? Tat kritam eva. क्लेश कर्म फल malavatvam. Without also seeing you should देहोपाधि कृत देहोपाधि जीव भेद कृतो जन्म मरणादि. Therefore देहोपाधि जीव भेद कृत क्लेश कर्म फल malavatvam. Klesha means dukha. Karma, different karmas are there. Phala, karma is there, karma phala will be there. And malavatvam, impurities, etc. Atmanaha, na paramarthataha. In reality, Atma does not have any klesha karma ityadi. Iti. Etam artham drishtantena pratipipadayishan aha. Etamartham, this meaning, drishtantena pratipipadayishan. Through drishtanta having shown or it's being shown. Pratipipadayishan with the desire to do pratipadanam. Pratipipadayishan aha. In टीका घटाकाशो मठाकाशः सूची पाशा काशः काशश्च इति. घटाकाश you know, मठाकाश you know. सूची पाशा काश. Suchi needle. There is a hole on top of the needle. That's called सूची पाशाकाशः काशश्च इति. उपाधि निमित्तो भेदस. This Bheda is Upadhi Nimitta. Tad Vishaya Buddhi Tad Prayukto Rupa Bhedo. Tad Vishaya Buddhi. So whatever Buddhi that is there, Bheda Buddhi. Tad Vishaya means Bheda Vishaya Buddhi. Tad Prayukto Rupa Bheda, Artha Kriya Bheda, Nama Bhedasya. Rupa Karya Samakhya. So all Bhedas are because of Upadhi, like Ghata, Matha, Shuchi, Pasha, इत्यादि. इति व्यवहारो नभसि यथा उपलभ्यते, नभसि आकाशे उपलभ्यते, तथा देहादि उपाधि भेद प्रयुक्तो जीव भेदस. देहादि उपाधि भेद कृतो जीव भेद. Really there is no jiva bheda, really there is no jiva malinyam also. Remember, this bheda idea is actually from 6th karika. It is not the subject of this karika. He says just as the bheda which we have already proved in 6th karika belongs to upadhi, in the same way impurity which is a subject matter of this karika also belongs to upadhi. यथा उपलभ्यते तथा देहादि उपाधि भेद प्रयुक्तो जीव भेद तत्कृतो जनन मरण सुख दुखादि व्यवहार. बर्थ इज ऑफ व्हाट? उपाधि, देह. जनन मरण देह, सुख दुख बुद्धि, अशना पिपासा प्राण. जनन मरण सुख दुखादि व्यवहारो व्यवस्थितो. यस्माद् आस्थीयते तस्मात्. तेन अविद्या विद्यमानेन कृतम एव आत्मनो रागादि मलवत्वम. Because of the presence of avidya. This could be slightly different reading, because I am not very sure. Avidya Vidyamanena, same reading. So because of the presence of avidya, Atmano Ragadi Malavatvam. Ignorance tells you Atma has Ragadvesha, Atma has Malinyam, impurity, etc. न परमार्थतः न वस्तुतः अस्ति इति एतमर्थं दृष्टांत द्वारा प्रतिपिपादयिषन् आदौ दृष्टांतम आह इति योजना. So first he gives example. दृष्टांत भाग निविष्टानि अक्षराणि व्याचष्टे. The words which are there in drishtanta, drishtanta bhaga nivishta. Nivishta means pravishta, kept, entered or kept there. The words which are there, aksharani, vyachaste, chaste, chakshate, chakshate. वक्तायाम वाची धातु वी आंग उपसर्ग पूर्वक लट लकार प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन. यथा भवति बालानाम अविवेकिनाम गगनम आकाशम घन रजो धूमादि मलैहि मलिनम मलवन न गगनम मलवत. याथात्म्य विवेकिनाम. यथा बालानाम, अविवेकी people, Akasha is all colorful. It is red, it is blue, purple, or ghana, lot of, it is very cloudy sky today, cloudy. Rajo dhumadi, raja is there, dust is there. Adina niharo grahya. Like over Gangaji sometimes, there are clouds. Mist is there. Malaihi malinam. Malavat. Na gaganam. Malavat. Gaganam actually is not malavat. Yathatmya Vivekina, those who are the knowers of Viveki, those who can do Viveka about what is the reality. दार्ष्टान्तिक टीका दार्ष्टान्तिक भागगतानाम अक्षराणाम अर्थम आह. So दृष्टान्त words are explained. Now दार्ष्टान्तिक तथा भवति आत्मा परोऽपि यो विज्ञाता प्रत्यक्लेशकर्म फल मलैः मलिनो अबुद्धानां प्रत्यगात्म विवेक रहितानां. आत्मा परोऽपि यो विज्ञाता, आत्मा परः परः परमात्मा अज्ञान तत्कार्य असंस्पृष्टः. टीका टिप्पणी पर मीन्स दैट विच इज अनटच्ड बाय अज्ञान एंड अज्ञान कार्य. प्रत्यक्लेश कर्मफल मलैः मलिनो. इन टिप्पणी प्रत्यंग इति युक्तः पाठः. आगम शास्त्रस्य अनित्यत्वात् नुम अभावो वा अक् अग् कुटिलायां गतौ इति धात्वन्तरानुसरणं वा इति अलम्. आगम शास्त्रस्य अनित्यत्वात् नुम अभावो. अनित्य मीन्स आगम शास्त्र is anitya, everything is anitya only. Anitya means it sometimes it will not be consistent with grammar rules. Num abhavo va ak ag kutilayam. So that pratyang, that num abhavo va ak ag kutilayam gatau. So sometimes they say pratyak or sometimes they say pratyag based on जलांजस्वन्ते. पतौ इति धात्वन्तरानुसरणं वा इति. Sometimes they follow the dhatu, what is there next to it. So here Tippanikar says pratyang klesha karma. That part would have been better. And then he says nikhila vritti sakshi, that which is the sakshi of klesha karma phala mala, all these impurities or all these activities. Deha vritti sakshi means the jayate asti vardhate viparinamate apakshyate vinashyate, it's sakshi. और इंद्रिय वृत्ति साक्षी, अंधत्व मंदत्व पटुत्व इत्यादि. और प्राणवृत्ति साक्षी, अशना पिपासा इत्यादि. मलिनो अबुद्धानाम प्रत्यगात्म विवेक रहितानाम. अबुद्धानाम, हाँ, बिफोर दैट इन टीका यो ही प्रत्यगात्मा विज्ञाता. Because in the morning we saw in Bradaranyaka, Atma is called Vijnata. Vijnatara marekena vijaniyat. Yatra hi dvaitam iva bhavati tad itara itaram jigrati itara itaram pashyati itara itaram shrunoti itara itaram abhivadati itara itaram vijanati. Yatra tu sarvam atmaiva bhut tat kenakam jigret kenakam pashyet kenakam shrunuyat kenakam अभिवदेत केनकम विजानीयात. विज्ञातारम अरे केन विजानीयात. So Vijnata is from there, Atma. So you will find Bhashyakara in his writings, he will keep the mantras in mind and use those phrases also, like in Mandukya Bradaranyaka phrase. Or sometimes he'll say the Tapta Parashu Drashtanta, that he will get burnt. The one who does not have Aham Brahmasmi Buddhi will get burnt. So immediately we have to remember Chandogya 6th chapter, 16th section or 15th section. So like that they use a Drashtanta. और phrase is also. प्रत्यगात्म विवेक रहितानाम अबुद्धानाम मीन्स प्रत्यगात्म विवेक रहितानाम अबुद्धानाम इत्येतद् व्याचष्टे अविवेकिभिरध्यारोपिते अपि प्रत्यगात्मनो मलवत्वे मलप्रयुक्तं फलं तत्र वास्तवं भविष्यति इति आशंका. By the avivekis, avivekibihi adhyaropite api, even though it is superimposed, pratyagatmano malavatve malaprayuktatvam phalam tatra vastavam bhavishyati. Somebody says, even if it is superimposed by ignorant people, pratyagatma actually will become impure and then it will end up in responding as impure. Means it will go through the problems. It says no. Na atma abudha aropita kleshadi malaihi malino bhavati ityartha. Atma doesn't become like that. You go on thinking this had happened, this had happened. It doesn't happen because it's not there. So, see, illusion does not need any other nimitta, does not need any hetu. Only one hetu, avidya. Avidya can create anything. Further, nanu jivo marananantaram dharmanurodhena swargam gacchati adharma vashacha narakam pratipatyate. Jiva, after marananantaram, dharmanurodhena, because of dharma, swargam gacchati, he goes to swarga. Because of adharma, he goes to naraka. All this is there in Shastra. Dharma dharmayoscha bhogena kshaye punaragatya yoni visheshe sambhavati. When dharma dharma bhoga kshaya takes place, having come back again, punaha agatya yoni visheshe sambhavati. In yoni vishesha there is janma. Tatra यावद भोगम स्थित्वा पुनरपि परलोकाय प्रतिष्ठते. यावद भोगम, as long as this prarabdha bhoga is there, स्थित्वा, he will stay in that body in this manushya loka. पुनः अपि परलोकाय प्रतिष्ठते. Again he goes to paraloka. एवं इह लोक परलोक संचरण व्यवहार viruddham advaitam. Your advaita is virodhi of this dharma adharma, swarga naraka, gati agati, bhoga, in this loka, paraloka. All this will become invalid. You will say, no, it is all advaita. There is nothing. There is nothing. Tatraha marane sambhave chaiva गत्यागमनयोरपि स्थितौ सर्वशरीरेषु आकाशेनाविलक्षणः आकाशेनाविलक्षणः सर्वशरीरेषु and akashe. Sandhi is not done. Sthitau, 2 letters. Sarvasharireshu, 6. So 8 letters there. Akashena vilakshana. If he had done Sandhi, 1 letter would have been less. Sthitau sarvasharire shvakashena vilakshana. So it would have become 15. So to keep it 16, he didn't do Sandhi. Marane sambhave chaiva. In marana as well as in sambhava means utpatti, janma. And also in gati, agati. Gatyagamanyoho api sthitau atma. Atma shabda is not given. You have to supply. Sarva sharireshu atma akashena avilakshana. Atma in all sharira is one alone and doesn't have any gati, agati, Janma, Marana, anything. Like Akash. When you have Ghata, in that there is Akasha, you carry the Ghata. What is Amrita Bindu Shloka? Mantra? Ghato Niyetana Akasha. घट संवृतम आकाशम नियमाने घटे यथा घटो नियतन आकाश यथा जीवो नभोपम तद्वत जीवो नभोपम बोथ रीडिंग्स सो आकाश डजंट मूव घट इज मूविंग लाइक दैट आत्मा इज नॉट मूविंग सो आई हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड आई एम in one place only. I mean, I am everywhere. Body is moving. So it seems because of the pratibimba moving, I think Atma is moving. Atma doesn't move. Akashena avilakshanaha Atma. And you imagine now how many pots are moving at a time. So many. Because so many jivas are, one person is going from here to there to there, this loka to that loka to this loka. So many. Akasha, no movement. Like there is a chaos. A few days back, even in Rishikesh, so many vehicles are there. People come, go. Nothing is happening to Akash. Like that I am. श्लोकस्य तात्पर्यम आह. हाँ, 1 नंबर टिप्पणी. आकाशेन अविलक्षण इति आत्मा इति अनुवर्तते. आकाशेन विलक्षण आत्मा. भाष्यं तु आत्मनो मरणादौ प्रतीयमाने सति अपि मरणादिगणाः आकाशीय मरणात् अविलक्षणः. Atma, when it appears, pratiyamane, it appears that there is janma, marana, sukha, dukha, etc. in Atma. Those janma, marana, sukha, dukha, gati, agati, arrival, departure, etc. they are just like of the Akasha. Akashiya maranadi, maranat avilakshana. They are not different. Means just as in Akasha they are unreal, in Atma also they are unreal. Unreal means it is not happening. It is not happening and I think it is there. That's all. श्लोकस्य तात्पर्यम् आह. पुनरपि उक्तम एवार्थम प्रपंचयति. This meaning alone प्रपंचयति. Vistara is done. In Bhashya, Ghatakasha Janmanash Gamanagaman Sthitivat Sarvasharireshu Atmano Janma Maranadi Rakashena Vilakshanaha Pratyetavya Ityarthaha. Just as Ghatakasha, Janma, Nasha, Gamana, Agamana, Sthiti, all these are there, they are illusory. In Akasha, they are illusory. It appears that they are in Ghatakasha. Like that, Sarva Sharireshu Atmanaha Janma Maranadihi Akashena Avilakshanaha Vyaparaha Pratyetavyaha Ityartha. Janma Maranadi, etc. in Atma, they are just like in Akash. Second number tippani. Akashena avilakshana iti. Akashiya janmadi tulya. Just like Akasha doesn't have janma, but it seems to be there like that. Further, Nanu. So now, okay. First 2 karikas of this chapter, Pratignya. Upasana ashrita is kripanaha. Ato vakshyami akarpanyam ajati. There is no creation. This I will tell. Okay. This is what he said in Pratignya. Third karika. In Atma, there is no Janma. Like Akash. If there is Janma, it is of Ghatakasha because of Ghata Utpatti. Similarly, fourth Karika, in Atma, there is no Maranam. So, Janma Nisheda, Marana Nisheda. Fifth Karika, Sukha Dukha, Mala Ityadi Nisheda. Means if it is there in one Atma, it will not be there in other Atma. Means Bheda. Atma Bheda is actually not there. One Atma getting affected doesn't mean all gets affected if there is only one Atma. That was said in fifth Karika. Sixth Karika, Rupakarya Samakhyaha Vidyante Tatra Tatra Vai. So, in Upadhikrita Namarupa Karya Bheda is there. Then seventh Karika, Vikara and Avayava. Akasha, Ghatakasha is actually not Vikara or Avayava of Mahakasha. Like that Jivatma is not Vikara or Avayava of Paramatma. Then eighth Karika, Malinyam, impurity is not there in Atma. Ninth Karika, Gati Agati is not there. Sthiti, Gati, Agati. Staying in one body, going to another loka, coming back, there is no. Now, Atma doesn't have any of this. So, in this way, all things are negated. Whatever I think I have is really not there. Now, further, Nanu, Sanghata Shabditanam Upadinam Satyatvat Tat Prayukta Bhedasyapi Tathatvat. If Sanghata Shabdita Upadhi is real, you are saying Ghatakasha is not real because it is Akash only. But maybe Ghata is real. So, Ghatakasha Shabditanam Upadinam Satyatvat Tat Prayukta Bhedasyapi Tathatvat. Then Tat Prayukta Bheda also will be Satyam. Advaita Anupapatti Tadavasthyam iti ched. And therefore, Advaita is still Anupapannam. Advaita is still not valid. Why? Because you may say Akasha doesn't have everything. But Upadhi, Ghata has everything. Ghata has Janma, Ghata has Nasha, Ghata has Gati Agati. So still Advaitam is not there. So earlier, everything was negated in Ghatakasha. Now, it is said Ghata itself is not there. So, Ghata Akasha is for Jiva. Jiva different from Brahma through Yukti is negated. Now, Jagat different from Brahma through Yukti is negated. Then Jiva different from Brahma through Shruti, it will be negated. Jiva Brahma Bhedasya Shrutya Nisheda. Right now, Jiva Brahma Bhedasya Yuktya Nisheda. Through Yukti Nisheda is done. Then Jiva Jagat Bheda through Yukti Nisheda is done in this 10th Karika. Sanghata Swapnavat Sarve Atma Maya Visarjitaha Adhikye Sarva Samyeva Nopapattirhi Vidyate. Sanghataha Swapnavat Sarve. Again you see Sarve and Atma Maya, Sandhi is not done. Otherwise, Sanghata Swapnavat Sarva. Ayadi Sandhi Lopashakalesya, but he didn't do that. आत्ममाया विसर्जिताः. They all are आत्ममाया विसर्जिताः. संघाता. They are created from Atmamaya, like Swapna. Sarve Sanghataः Atmamaya Visarjitaः. Adhikye Sarva Samyema. In Adhikya means in something greater, something more, or Sarva Samye, or all being same. In Sanghata, there is no upapatti, means there is no yukti. Because, but in what? So he, just as in Swapna, how things are, in Jagrat also things are similar. Illusory, Maya Visarjita. But you say, okay, but in Swapna it is different. Jagrat is more real. You say we have already discussed this in second chapter. There is no superiority. And between them, that this is similar to that or this similar to that, in that there is no reasoning. I mean, they all are basically like Swapna, and there is no reasoning for what is greater, lesser, superior, inferior, etc. See in Tika. What is greater or lesser means Devata Sharira is one Sanghata. Manushya Sharira is another. Pashu Sharira is another Sanghata. But just as in Swapna, all are Maya created, there is no gradation. Superior body, mediocre body, inferior body, they all are same. Devadi Dehanam Pujyatamattvena Adhikya Abhyupugamat Na Asatyatva Siddhihi iti Ashankya. And somebody may say, no, Devata bodies, they are superior. We have accepted it. Therefore, they are more real. They cannot be asat. Na asatyatva siddhi iti ashankya. Deha vedeshu keshuchit adhikye moodha drishtya kalpite api. In deha veda keshuchit adhikye, some deha is superior adhikye. This is only moodha drishtya kalpita. Moodha people, they think like that. Kalpite api. Viveka drishtya sarvadehanam pancha. This I was mentioning in the morning itself. Sarvadehanam panchabhutatmatvat. Sthula sharira panchamahabhuta. Panchikrita. Sukshma sharira apanchikrita. What is the difference? Panchabhutatmatvat, the visheshat ashesha samyeva. There is a pathantar, incorrect. Panchabhutatmatvad, it is not there. I will tell you. We will change it to Panchabhutatmakatva Visheshat. Panchabhutatmakatva Atmaka ka. Panchabhutatmakatva, D is not there. Panchabhutatmakatva Visheshat. D you cut. Sarvadehanam, I hope you understood. Panchabhutatmakatva Visheshat. So Panchabhutatmakatva Avishesha. All are Panchabhutatma. There is no difference. Ashesha Samyeva Svikrite Nasti Sanghateshu Satyatve Kachid Upapatti Rityarha. Ashesha Samyeva. In everything, Ashesh, everything is one also, that also we don't say. But everything is different, that also we don't say. Means in Vyavahara there is Bheda, in Paramartha there is, from Paramartha standpoint, everything is Pancha Mahabhuta and everything is Mithya. Ashesha Samyava Svikrite Nasti Sanghateshu Satyatve Kachid Upapattihi Ityaha. Sanghata being Satya, in that there is no logic, there is no reasoning, there is no yukti, means Sanghata is not Satya. 4 number tippani. So third number said Adhika Bhava means Utkrashtata. 4 number says उत्कृष्टत्व अपकृष्टत्व योहो मिथ्याभूतेषु रजतादिषु इति रजतादिष्विति दर्शनात् न हि तावन् मात्रेण सत्यत्व असत्यत्व साधयितुं शक्य इति भावः. That rajata is in shukti is utkrishta or apakrishta, it is mithya. By that, superior reflection or inferior, it is not rajat. So those features don't decide whether it is satya or asat. Then what decides satya or asat? Is we discuss this in second chapter. Don't ask again. Adhikya. Adhikya sarva samyeva nopapattir vidyate. In adhikya, in superiority or sarva samye, nopapattir vidyate. Purvardhaksharani yojayati. Now he comes to Bhashya, which we will see not tomorrow, day after, in the afternoon. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.